Welcome back to Build Habits, Build Health, where we take small steps every day to build a stronger, healthier life. When most people hear the word collagen, they think about smooth skin or thick, healthy hair. And yes, collagen does help with those things. But the truth is, collagen plays a much bigger role in our body. Have you noticed it's harder to get out of bed in the morning? Do your knees hurt when you stand up or bend down? Does your wrist feel sore just from opening a bottle or holding something? If any of that sounds familiar, it might be your body's way of saying, I'm running low on collagen. So what exactly is collagen? How does it affect our joints, bones, and daily movement? What are the warning signs when our body doesn't have enough? And which collagen-rich foods should we add to our meals? We're going to walk through all of that together in today's video. Let's get started. So let's start with the basics. What is collagen? Collagen is a special type of protein. In fact, it's the most abundant protein in the entire human body. You can think of it as the glue that holds us together and keeps everything working smoothly. It helps build and support cartilage and connective tissue so our joints move comfortably, bones, so they stay strong and resist fractures, skin on so it stays firm and doesn't sag easily, muscles and tendons so every movement feels steady, even parts of our digestive system and blood vessels. Put simply, collagen is a big part of the structure that helps us stand strong, move with ease, and recover each day. And when we're young, our body makes plenty of collagen on its own. We never have to think about it. But research shows that around age 25, collagen production begins to drop by about 1% each year. By age 40, we may have lost 20 to 25% of our natural collagen. And by age 80 and above, our collagen production can be nearly 1/3 lower than when we were young. That's when those little changes start to show up, and daily movement doesn't feel quite as easy as it used to. First of all, what are the 10 signs that your body may be running low on collagen? Let's see if any of these sound familiar to you. 1. Stiff joints and pain when you first stand up. Does this happen to you? You get out of bed or rise from a chair, and your knees seem to pause for a moment. Those stiff, painful first steps are a sign that your joints' cushion, rich in collagen, is wearing thin. 2. Walking doesn't feel as smooth as before. Even a short walk inside the house can feel just a little harder than it used to. Your muscles and connective tissues are quietly saying, we need more collagen to move comfortably again. 3. More wrinkles and reduced skin elasticity. You notice your skin looks thinner, more saggy, and wrinkles show up deeper under the morning light. That's collagen leaving your skin structure. 4. Brittle nails and thinning hair. Every time you brush your hair, more strands seem to come out. Nails split or break easily. That's your body showing a lack of collagen support. 5. Longer recovery after simple movements, a short walk or a few light stretches, yet your muscles stay sore until the next day. Without collagen, muscles struggle to repair and strengthen. 6. Trouble staying asleep or sleeping deeply. Do you find yourself waking up more during the night? Poor sleep means the body has less time to rebuild collagen, and the cycle continues. 7. Digestion feels more sensitive. Foods that used to feel fine now cause discomfort. Bloating, slower digestion. Your gut lining also relies on collagen to stay strong and healthy. 8. Bones feeling weaker. Weather changes increase pain when it gets cold or damp. The joints speak louder. It's a sign your bone structure may be losing the glue that collagen provides. 9. Joint swelling or unexplained aches. You didn't overdo anything, yet a joint feels swollen or painful. That's inflammation and a lack of collagen protection. 10. Cold hands and feet or tingling sensations. Circulation is slower. Fingertips feel cold more easily because even blood vessels need collagen to stay elastic. If you recognize 3 or more of these signs, your body may be quietly asking for more collagen support. There's a common misunderstanding that if we find out we're low on collagen, we just need to eat collagen and our body will send it straight to our skin or joints. But that's not exactly how it works. When we eat collagen-rich foods or take collagen supplements, our body does not absorb collagen in its whole original form. First, collagen must be broken down into smaller peptides and amino acids in the stomach and intestines before it can enter the bloodstream. Then the body decides how to use those nutrients, rebuilding new collagen where needed or creating other proteins depending on what the body needs at that moment. In short, eating or drinking collagen, breakdown, absorption, body decides where to use it. It does not go directly to your bones, skin, or joints right after you consume it. So the key isn't only about taking collagen. We also need to give our body the right materials and conditions to make collagen well. High-quality protein, vitamin C minerals like zinc and copper, gentle movement and regular exercise, good sleep and avoiding smoking. These are what truly help the body build and maintain collagen naturally every single day. Now let's take a closer look at the 5 most important habits that help our body keep building collagen every single day. 1. High-quality protein, the building blocks. Collagen is made from tiny building blocks called amino acids. So each time we enjoy some tender chicken, a nicely seared piece of salmon, or a warm bowl of lentils or soybeans, we're gently telling our body, here you go. Everything you need to make fresh collagen. 2. Vitamin C, the master craftsman. Vitamin C helps our body connect those building blocks together. A glass of orange juice in the morning, a handful of sweet strawberries after dinner, or a few slices of red bell pepper in a salad. Simple little choices that make a big difference for collagen production. 3. Zinc and copper, the quiet helpers. We don't often think about these minerals, yet they play an essential role in rebuilding tissue. We can find them in oysters and other seafood, or in something as simple as a small handful of pumpkin seeds, cashews, or a spoonful of pure cocoa on a chilly day. Tiny foods that quietly strengthen the structure inside us. 4. Gentle movement. A reminder that we still need collagen just 15 to 20 minutes a day. A peaceful walk around the garden, a few slow stretching movements, or gentle morning exercise in the sunlight. Every time we move, the body reminds itself, I'm still active. Keep the collagen coming. 5. Good sleep and saying goodbye to smoke nighttime is when the body quietly gets to work, repairing and building new collagen. A good 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep, a calm mind before bed, and staying away from cigarette smoke. These create the perfect environment for collagen renewal night after night. You know, our bodies are truly remarkable. Even as time goes by and collagen slowly decreases, our body keeps repairing and rebuilding, little by little, every single day. It has been taking care of us unconditionally, so the best way we can take care of it in return is simply to lend a helping hand. By making small but smart choices in our meals, by moving just a little each day to remind our joints, I still need collagen. And by giving ourselves a deep, restful sleep so the body has time to restore and renew. The most important thing is to pay attention to the signals our body sends us and to give it what it needs so collagen can be naturally rebuilt day after day. And then one day, you'll notice your knees hurt a little less, your steps in the morning feel a little lighter, and the mirror reflects a smile that's a little brighter. We don't have to be perfect tomorrow. We just need to be a little better than today. Thank you so much for spending your time with Build Habits, Build Health. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel so we can continue building small habits together for a stronger, healthier life. Wishing you energy in every moment, confidence in every step, and a healthier, happier you, day by day.